Morning everybody, it's Neil here from Greenslate Farm, and I've been allowed to sneak into the inner sanctum of the kitchen here at Greenslate Farm because I want to have a chat with our chef Mark and see what he's got prepared for Christmas. So let's go and have a look at. So Mark, tell us what you're doing for Christmas at Greenslate in regards to food.
Well, okay Neil, we've got the usual cafes open during the week as normal, but we're also offering Christmas lunches and Christmas meals on the evenings. The evening meals are Thursdays and Fridays. We're trying to give people a bit of a party. We've got live music on the Friday and the Thursday evenings, which comprises of, on the 7th we've got Richard Hart, the 14th Andy Crawford, and the 21st we've got Bonsai Bigfoot. On the Thursdays we've got a combination of a magician and a little bit of brass going on, so that sets the ambience for the evening, and then hopefully with the food, hopefully everybody enjoys what we've got on offer this year. We're starting off, we've got a choice of soups, we've got a tomato and basil, we've got a leek and potato, and we've stuck with those just because everybody knows what's on the menu then and they can choose either one or the other. We've also got a pate with the usual accoutrements to that. We've got some and also we've got a prawn cocktail, which is just a classic, just a switch on a classic prawn cocktail with avocado. For our main courses we've got the traditional Christmas fare with turkey, pork, roast potatoes, chanterelle carrots, and then we've got a couple of vegetarian options. We've got a nut roast and a whole roasted cauliflower or baby cauliflower with paprika and oil, with all the same kind of vegetables to go with that. And then we've got Nadia's Yuletide log, not yog, the afters with a cast Christmas pudding. And we've also got something else I can't remember what it is, Neil.
Well, that's great. I mean, I'm glad to see that you're thinking of us veggies, and you've got plenty on for us. And it's nice to have like stuff that's recipes that's come from some of the staff themselves. You mentioned Nadia and Kath there, so that's nice.
Yes, and as much as we can, the stuff that we're getting in for the meals is sustainably sourced, which falls in line with what we're trying to do here at Greenslate Farm. It's not always easy, but everything that we've got on the menu is of very high quality indeed. So organic chicken, organic pork for the meat. We've got the prawns that are sustainable. So we have got an eye on that, and all the vegetables as much as we can are either from here or local. So, you know, I hope everybody's going to have a really good Greenslate Christmas.
That's great. So, what do people do if they want to book? You can tell them.
You can either pop down, but the easiest way I think is have a look at our website, and everything I've just burbled on about for the last few minutes is all on there. So you can have a look at that and peruse at your leisure, and then just order online. Or as I say, you can pop down and have a look at us and order here. It's a £10 deposit per person, and then the rest you can pay on the day, or you can pay all of it if you want. And, we've got small and large parties. For lunches, anybody who's thinking of your local business or local office who want to come out together for a Christmas lunch, then consider us. We're fully licensed here as well, so if anybody wants a wine or a beer, then you're all right with that as well.
That's brilliant. That's brilliant. So yeah, it's greenslateCommunityFarm.org.uk. All the details are on the main page there, so take a look and you can book and leave a deposit there. Great. Thank you very much.